ni Yorme Isko Moreno Dumalgoso.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, our co-workers in the city government. Magandang araw sa inyo. Mamaya po pagkayarin nito, kung po pwede, pinakikisuyo ko lang bumalik kayo agad sa inyong kanya-kanyang opisina. Alam ko, excited kayo ngayong araw na ito, but this is the day wherein we're going to face a very dangerous situation with regard to health situation of the city. So we must do our job. Let's just be this day as normal working days for each and every one of us. Umaasa sa atin ng taong bayan. To our friends in the media who are here today, and to the vloggers who are going back and help the city to communicate to our people. Muli po, magandang araw sa inyo. As you all know, I assumed office and went to this building at exactly 12:01 as required by law. And about 2:10, same hour, I received officially the letter communicated to the city government of Manila, wherein the two new contractors of our garbage hauling in the city terminated their operation starting today. Bagamat hindi kaila sa inyo at sa mga taga Maynila, nailathala sa mga TV news channel, online news channel, at mga periodiko that for the past so many weeks, we've been receiving a lot of complaints and requests from the people of Manila to confront the garbage situation of the city. Minabuti ko pong manahimik muna, kolektahin muna yung mga reklamo ng taong bayan, dala lang wala pa naman po kung kapasidad to act on the matter. But despite of continuous effort of our journalists, online and television, print, mga media natin, to call the attention of the past administration para sila nagsalita sa tengang kawali. Pagkaganon man, sesya na po kayo. Kanina pa po kami may sound system dito, bigla lang nawala. Sesya na po. Sabi ko sa'yo. Uy, talo na kayo. Tapos parang even in our broadcast facility to communicate to our people was really bad state. That is an understatement. But anyway, let's go now to the very important, itong mga petty actuation ng nakaraan. Wala yan. ang mabigat na problema ngayon ay basura. Talagang nangyayari. But again, going back, with the situation few weeks ago and the past days, plus today, talagang sasabog ang Maynila. Sa baho, sa eyesore, at higit sa lahat, panganib na dulot ng basura sa kalusugan ng ating mga pamilya. So now, I opted to declare and request the City Council tomorrow, first session day, declare the state of emergency, health emergency of the entire city of Manila. That's one. Two, buong kababaang loob ako nakiusap sa Lionel Waste Management to utilize all the resources existing or available to be dedicated in the entire city of Manila. At salamat naman at positibo itong tutugunin ng Lionel for free.
Grabe.
For free. And tomorrow, we'll deal with the City Council about it with all other necessary legal means to acquire the services to immediately confront the problems in the coming days. But for now, we will confront it today by 2 p.m. onwards. Hanggang madaling araw, hanggang gabi, hindi titigil ang syudad ng Maynila.
Buhay kayo, Ri! Buhay! Walang tulugan.
It's going to be hard. It's not that simple. But I need everyone's cooperation. Kanina medyo mahina yung audio. Uulitin ko ngayon. Bukod sa pinakiusapan ko ang Lionel Waste Management na kunin ang basura ng walang gastos sa Maynila, inatasan ko na ang departamento ng City Engineering, DPS, MDRRMO, na lahat ng human resources available, equipment available, logistical capacity of the city of Manila to be utilized today, tonight, tomorrow, and so on and so forth. The same manner, inuna lang po natin muna ang mga tagalungsod ng Manila to address it to the people of Manila. But now, let me ask with all humility the resources of the national government through Metro Manila Development Authority to help us ease the pain and suffering of the people of Manila with regard to garbage problem. Bago kayo magtanong, I will state some facts. Kung nga pala, maya-maya, para lang for purposes of transparency, yung ating mga online media, television, diarista, periodiko, bibigyan namin kayo ng CP, ng sulat, official, sulat na Metro Waste at Pileco. Bibigyan namin kayo. Pero, ang tanong, bakit nag-pull out? Kung maalala po ninyo, at marami naman napanood ko sa inyo sa mga interview ninyo, tinanong nyo yung nakaraang administrasyon, bakit umalis ang Lionel sa Manila? At ang sabi noon ng Lionel ay may pagkakautang o bayarin na dapat bayaran ng syudad worth 561 million pesos. Yun ay itinanggi. Hindi raw yun bayarin. ang exact word, payables lang daw. Let's call spade spade. Ganun sila. Pero, Oktubre pa lamang, nag-abiso na ang UNEP. At tinapos nila ang kontrata at alam to ng mga driver ng Lionel, ng truck, at ang mamamayan ng lungsod, bagamat hindi sila bayad, tinapos nila ng December 31 ang kanilang koleksyon ng basura based on that. For some reason, I don't know, or maybe politics at the expense of our people, pinalitan nila, nakakuha naman sila in the likes of Metro Waste and Pileco. But the same problem because of financial mismanagement. From 561 million, today as we speak, 950 million na ang bayarin sa basura. Katulad ng naisaad ng isa sa kontraktor ng basura, January lang sila binayaran. So if we have 561 million previous obligation, i-minus natin sa 950, almost 400 million na hindi rin binayaran ang Metro Waste at Pileco. Now, can we blame Pileco and Metro Waste? I don't think so. No businessman, for that matter, can continue to bleed and render service for the sake of our people without getting paid. That's absurd. Kalokohan yun. Kaya ngayon, ako tinamaan. Kaya ngayon, sakripisyo ang taong bayan ng lungsod ng Maynila. Now therefore, just to assure each and every one of you, alam ko, ano nyo to concern nyo to. We will act on the matter. But for the meantime, the barangay officials are hereby directed na sinupin nila at ayusin nila yung mga basura sa kanya-kanyang barangay. Darating kami, darating ang siyudad ng Maynila, simula ngayong alas 2 ng hapon.
Sige, siguro mga 15 minutes after.
Di pa ako nanangalian ng basura ng kinain ko.
Oo, sige.
But, you know, I'm up for the challenge. Despite of all these things, may awa ang Diyos, makakaraos tayo. Okay? So, I think I said my piece. Now, if there is any more further inquiries, I'm happy to answer each and